Sex appeal. Most of you have heard of this term, yet a lot of people struggle to actually achieve this. It's not as simple as just putting on a random fragrance that Chris Hemsworth claims will make you
the man of today.
Whatever that means. So how do you actually achieve sex appeal as a man and attract women? Well, I decided to dig into this and use science to back up the answers. Stick around to the end, and you'll know all of them yourself. Women want what other women want. You might know this fact already, but women find men more desirable when they're desired by other women. An article by Rhoda Heffer, Leva, and Hill calls it female mate choice copying. This is simply a way for women to cut down on the cost of trying to find the right partner. And with cost, I mean time and energy. It also eliminates risk associated with making poor mating decisions, as you're going for what other women also want, which is somewhat safer. In the article, they did an experiment with 97 female college students. They found that men who appeared with very attractive women in the same photos, seemingly as a romantic partner, versus men photographed alone, were significantly more attractive to the students. A good example of this is Iman Gadji. If you take a look at his Instagram, you'll find posts with him and attractive women, having a good time, enjoying each other's company, and traveling together. That's why I recommend you start being active on Instagram and make the account public. Share bits and pieces of your life as stories. By not having your profile in private, people won't need to follow you back to get a glimpse of your life. And women, trust me, they're stalkers, so why not just purposely make it easier for them? If they see you with other women, well-dressed, genuinely happy, traveling, doing what you love to do, they're going to want to be part of your life. Having your emotions under control, women are more drawn towards men with emotional depth and a composed demeanor. This is where Stoicism can make you irresistible. Practicing Stoicism means you have your emotions under control, not letting them sway in all directions. Stoic men handle stress, adversity, and challenges with ease, and this emotional resilience is incredibly attractive to women. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It's about maintaining control and not reacting impulsively. This trait shows strength and stability, which are highly appealing qualities. Tall, dark, and handsome. I'm sure you've heard this phrase. This is one of the guidelines a lot of women have made for themselves over the years. If the guy fits the physical criteria, then all that's left is to get to know him to see if his personality matches the look. Dark features add a lot of sex appeal, as it's associated with someone mysterious and willing to provide a woman with plenty of twists, turns, and adventure. If you've got blonder hair, just like me, getting darker eyebrows will be a smart move, for example. Having thicker eyebrows are also ideal, as all forms of facial hair are linked with health, which transitions nicely to the next point. Facial hair. I mentioned eyebrows, but a great beard makes any man more attractive to women. A well-trimmed beard is a must. Not too much, as a longer, messy one could hide fat and doesn't bring out your jawline as much as a shorter one does. Being able to grow facial hair is a great masculine trait. Now, if you're currently not able to, opting for a clean shave instead, especially if you're young, can do wonders as well. Just be sure not to rock the Discord mod look, the in-between stubble. Ideal physique. Now, being a twink or someone overweight won't provide you with sex appeal, so it's time to start building your ideal physique. Muscles like the upper chest, neck, shoulders, and traps increase sex appeal the most, as they make you broader and aesthetically pleasing. But let's not forget the chicken legs. There's a big difference between having this and having that body. You can guess which one gives the most sex appeal. Formula One drivers have to endure tremendous force with their cars, and when they turn, they have to be able to hold their head stable at 190 miles per hour or over 300 kilometers per hour, which is why most of them have the thicker and stronger necks than the average guy. But it isn't just practical to have a strong neck. It's also very aesthetically pleasing to women. It shows masculinity. Approximately as wide as your jaw goes is the ideal width. Your wardrobe. How you dress will not only affect you and your confidence, but it will also give women a feel for who you are as a person and how detail-oriented you are, which again is linked with competence. Being competent increases sex appeal. The right clothing can make you look more mature, intelligent, and capable, while the opposite is also true. A study by Reisenbichler and John from 2023 showed that if you're well-dressed for the occasion, you can increase your social status. Let's say, hypothetically, you're going to a party where a bunch of celebrities are coming, rich folks, and this is your first time attending something like this. You know none of them personally. Your ability to dress appropriately, or even slightly better than the rest, will make others take notice and help you climb the hierarchy of social status. as they see you as one of them. However, on a day-to-day basis, there are several types of styles you can pick from. Here are some of them. A common trait between them all is that they're of higher quality material. Gents don't mess with H&M. Visit clothing stores in person and try on different fits. Experiment with what looks good on you. If you're happy with your upper chest, reveal more of it. The same goes for arms. Pick shirts that sit tighter around them. To get inspiration, make an account on Pinterest and just save a couple of the ones you like, and you'll get pushed similar outfits by the algorithm. Tattoos and accessories. Tattoos tell a story, show personality, and can make you stand out. Research has shown that tattoos can signal good health and high testosterone levels, which are attractive traits. But remember, less is more. Don't go overboard and get a full body of them unless that's really your style. Start with something meaningful and visible, like on your forearm or bicep, where it can accentuate your muscles. When it comes to accessories, think of them as small details that make a big difference. A nice watch, for example, can elevate your entire look. It shows that you pay attention to detail and value punctuality. A simple chain or bracelet can also add a touch of sophistication and style, but again, keep it minimal. Sunglasses are another great accessory. Not only do they protect your eyes, but they also add an element of mystery and coolness. Find a pair that suits your face shape and stick with it. If you're working a lot in front of the laptop as I am, get some blue light glasses to preserve your eyes. Let's not forget the voice. You can look as fit and well-dressed as you want, with an amazing beard, but if your voice sounds like Mickey Mouse, it all falls apart, and you can forget about sex appeal. Now, good news, you can work on the thyroretinoid muscle, the one that helps control the pitch and depth of your voice. Exercises targeting this muscle, combined with proper breath support, can help you achieve a deeper, more resonant voice. With consistent practice, you'll be sounding more like James Earl Jones, and less like Mickey in no time. Alright, gents, that's what I got for you. If you want me to delve deeper into something, let me know in the comments. Peace out for now.